Hey Abigail, look what Dotty's doing. Austen, you see Dotty? Do you remember Dotty? Dotty just had an infection on her tail. And so we had to cut her tail off. It's called amputation. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's been, I think, 4 days. We cut her tail off on Thursday. So it's been like 4 days. And of course, her body's trying to grow the tail back, so it's probably need a lot of nutrition. So we're giving it a bunch of worms today. Look how many worms we gave it. Whoa, you probably see the cricket leg right there. See the cricket leg right there. See that? That's the cricket leg. There's the other leg right there. Right there. See that? One and two. Okay, that was yesterday. We caught a cricket in the front yard. We peeled off the leg so it doesn't jump around. And then we peeled off a little bit more just to make sure it's slow enough for Dotty to eat, because Dotty's pretty gentle. She misses a lot. Look, she's gonna try to get that one. Oh, she sees. Oh wow, see? She misses all the time. Maybe she'll get this one, because it's not moving that fast. Ah, she got it. Oh yeah, lick your lips, Dotty. Oh wow. Oh, she's got her eye on another one. I think she's gonna go for another one. What do you think? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're looking at her through the plastic container now. We took her out of her normal cage, which is over here now.